Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to have multiple subtitle layers in DaVinci Resolve. So adding a subtitle track is really easy. Just right click here. After that select add subtitle track, and now to add a subtitle here we just need to select it and then go to inspector. Here select create caption and then a caption will be added here and you can change it to whatever you want. You can also duplicate it by holding Alt key and the subtitle will be duplicated. But when it comes to adding multiple subtitle tracks, DaVinci Resolve will only keep one subtitle tracks visible. Like let's say if I add another subtitle track here and place any subtitle, then you'll notice that DaVinci Resolve will only keep one subtitle track visible. So to fix this issue, we have to use video layers. So what we can do is open the effects panel, then go to titles, and from here grab any of the text layer like this and then place it onto your timeline. Now you can just tag these text layers above each other so that you can use multiple subtitles like this. So this is the only way to have multiple subtitles available on our video. If you try to use subtitle track, then it will only keep one subtitle track visible in your timeline. This is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe.